That's not your fault. Dying hard, like there's no one there.
Straight up, all the track people left. Do you want to commentate with me? Do you want to commentate with me? All you have to do is just describe what's happening.
Who's fighting?
So this is my friend José, and then this guy, his name is Spikefire. I don't know his real name. José is the better player, just straight up. You didn't update it.
Yeah, because I'm trying to fix my... It doesn't already did.
You suck. Why don't you suck my cock? I'm not even drunk. I'm just a piece of shit all the time.
Like these?
What?
Like these?
Don't do it.
You know what I'm gonna say, right?
Yeah.
These? These what? Dude, I really, like, I honestly hope they tell us what happened to Sad after he just left.
Oh god, I texted him on Messenger. I was like, hey, I'm buying drinks for the boys if you want some.
I'm heading to Kronos.
You are?
Yes, to drink.
With anybody or just
Just
yourself?
with one of the clubs I work with on the journals.
I'm just staying here. My friend Liam said he would drink with me after he's eliminated from the bracket.
Is there a tournament event?
Yeah, this is the tournament, my guy.
Ah.
This is winners round 4. No, GameCube controllers.
Right, that's a big event. I am not used to it. I just play on Joy-Cons.
Fair. That's like a new thing.
That and like traditional like video game controllers.
Yeah, that's GameCube controller.
That you call a GameCube controller?
Everyone,
like more like Xbox style controller because I'm used to Xbox.
well, some people use Pro controllers.
Those are eh.
That's like, it's like the same layout as an Xbox controller.
It's better for me because I play Halo most of the time. Do you guys do Halo?
No.
Let's do it. If you do it, I'll join.
These guys, we only play this game. The other games in the club are run by different people.
Fair enough. But yeah. Honestly, I'm not surprised if we see the facing campaign by the Frats for Shana coming up real soon. Just about coming anytime soon.
I'm genuinely surprised Remy didn't win. I'd like to see the numbers on that. I wonder when they're going to post...
Stop the count! Stop the count!
I wonder when they're going to post the official numbers.
23rd.
23rd?
That's what they... Let me check.
Why is it in 2 weeks? That's fucked up.
I read the tweet just now. Let's see.
Did you see that the Pan posted on his Instagram story that it sucked? Oh wow, Spikefire lost? What a surprise.
I knew it! Stop the count! And then next week Tate is gonna show up with his cronies and charge for that.
I just want to check the numbers to see if I won any majorities. Like even against like you or Tate. That's what I'm interested in.
Results are expected to be confirmed at the AMS Council meeting on March 24th. Results remain unofficial until confirmed by Council next week.
Gay.
Between now and then, candidates running for position may choose to withdraw from their respective race.
I think the Bike Kitchen pushed it too hard, so they lost.
You really think so?
I think they've been aggressive on that.
I don't know.
It's weird because most people I know, they just voted yes on every referendum, like blindly.
Somehow I'm not surprised at the result.
You know, the bike kitchen like fixed up my bike. I bought my bike from a homeless man in my first year, and it was fucked up. Like you couldn't adjust the seats, everything was rusted. And I brought it to the bike kitchen, and they gave me like a new seat, and like they fixed my brakes, all for free.
That's nice, because sometimes a lot of people fix stuff. I don't know how they'll operate next year. They'll probably keep operating, but just in a different capacity.
Yeah. I'm sure they're gonna try and do another referendum next year.
They have to make their service more appealing. Right now, it's too exclusive.
Why do you think that?
If you don't bike, you don't use.
Most people bike though, right? Like, I don't know.
A lot of students think it's a waste of money because they don't bike. I bike, but so I'm not fine with it. But I've been talking to so much students like, oh, I don't bike. Why the fuck am I gonna go for it?
That's like a really dumb way of thinking. I don't use this, therefore it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's very. Think of it like I see it more as like a lot of non-students use it. Yeah, go drink with your boyfriend.
Have some fun.
See ya.
See you next week, City.
Alright, bye. Chris, come commentate with me.
Wait, is this game 2 or game 3? Samuel, I present to you.
Are you still in bracket?
I feel like so annoyed.
What do you mean, bro? Steve Martin's off point. Hey, but you played Steve
Why does that move kill? It's fucked up.
Come sit with me. You know what this reminds me of? The first summer of COVID, I was like on my computer like 18 hours a day, and in Winnipeg, and I would just have a bottle of sourpuss in front of me, and I would just drink it and play Valorant at the same
Go to
time.
the washroom right now. I'm calling you on stream now.
You can ask Chris. I played with him.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's the only thing I ever played. Yeah, the game came out, and I was like grinding it every day.
Where the hell's Dragon, dude?
Liam said he would drink with me once he got kicked out of bracket.
He's gonna make a loser's run. I've got a feeling.
I said, Liam, if you drink with me, I'll love you forever.
Yeah, no, Liam has to fight Zook if he wins this, most likely. So he's got a loser's run in front of him.
There's Dragon.
Alright, epic.
Ben, all the frat boys at the party were eye fucking me. I mentioned it to Wesley, and he's like, "Yeah, I could tell." I'm sorry, I'm so hot. Awooga, awooga.
I'm so...
Who do you play next?
Samuel. Couldn't be her, actually? It's been so long since I played on that.
Nope. Oh damn.
Do you know who won?
What do you mean? Oh, the election? Ishana.
It's been a while since I saw you. How are you doing, by the way?
I'm good.
That's good. That's good. Nice.
I've been running for president. We just found out the election results today.
Oh yeah? Did you win? Oh.
If
I
I
would have thought you would have had it in the bag.
No.
Nah. Next time.
Maybe.
Maybe.